Understanding Salvo of Criticism. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, salvo of criticism. This expression is both vivid and useful, especially in contexts where communication and feedback play crucial roles. By understanding it, you can enhance both your comprehension and expression in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. A salvo originally refers to a simultaneous discharge of artillery or firearms. It's a term that comes from military contexts, where multiple weapons fire all at once for greater impact. When we move this term into the realm of criticism, salvo of criticism metaphorically describes a situation where someone is bombarded with critical comments, feedback, or objections all at once. It implies a sudden, intense burst of criticism, often coming from multiple sources or on multiple fronts. Understanding how to use this phrase can help you convey ideas of intense criticism more effectively. Here are some examples. After the release of their latest product, the company faced a salvo of criticism from disappointed customers. The politician's controversial statement was met with a salvo of criticism from both the media and the public. The new policy triggered a salvo of criticism across social media platforms. Notice that in each case, the phrase is used to highlight not just criticism, but an overwhelming amount of it, often catching the recipient off guard. Facing a salvo of criticism can be challenging. Here are a few tips on how to respond. Listen and reflect. Try to understand the points being made. Is there a common theme in the criticism? Stay calm. Avoid reacting defensively immediately. Taking time to process the criticism can be more productive. Engage constructively. Where possible, respond to the criticism with an open mind and a willingness to improve. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, salvo of criticism. It's a powerful expression that vividly captures the experience of receiving a lot of criticism at once. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you navigate complex communication situations more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!